Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
Huge, who call themselves leader while they continue to go astray. And that was the reason why I play Umahi. Why all of them continue to go astray in particles. And they have actually united together for many years against the collective interest of Biafra people. But because Biafra is coming, they are now in parts. I want you to pay attention to what I'm telling you this evening. That in the past, this so-called elite, they unite. Their unity is to subjugate ordinary citizens, is to enslave ordinary citizens. But today, there is no unity among them. The only thing that unites them in the past has been the looting, the national cake, the stealing, corruption, and looting of government and public fund. That is the only thing that have united them for decades. But because Nigeria has collapsed, they are no longer in unity. And let me tell you, why these people, I want you to mark what I'm saying today. I want you to mark what I'm saying. It is a sign that Biafra is here. Why these people, why they are trying to, why they are showing disunity among them, and why they were united in subjugation against us, the ordinary people. Why these people, elite, so-called elite, are united against us? We are tearing ourselves apart. We were tearing ourselves apart. There were no unity amongst the ordinary citizens. There were no unity among different groups. But today, as they are tearing themselves apart, we are uniting. And I must tell you that it shows you that Biafra is here. So the difference that you are going to see today is that because Biafra is coming in 2023, it is a divine mandate. So every group that are genuinely fighting for Biafra are coming together. While those who have subjugated Biafra people to all manner of degrading treatment, all manner of evil policy, they are tearing each other apart. Omahi is shouting on top of his voice. But instead, he will not vote for anybody. They are going to vote for APC. And Imo State is tearing everybody apart. Oh, there is no other political party here. You cannot conduct election here. While all these things is happening, the Biafra agitating group are coming together. I want you to pay attention to that. If you don't think this before, think about it from today. So, on this note, we welcome the Biafra National Guard. The Biafra National Guard, under the command of General Oji, has today formed alliance with IPOB. You may also add it autopilot. Because they gave us autopilot, we have actually chased the criminals away from the movement. So, you can add up autopilot if you want, but officially, the BNG has now formed alliance with IPOB for the liberation of Biafra by 2023. Now, what is this Biafra National Guard? What you don't know is bigger than you. The Biafra National Guard has the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force of Biafra. And so therefore, everything has been activated. And with Church Mind and with Obiocha, we are moving forward with speed. We are moving with speed. So, And let me inform you today that when we are going to march, truly, you will know that Biafra, we are all prepared. We are all prepared. This has been an age-long and overdue process. Never in the history of Biafra freedom has all group who are genuine come together. And our unity is a threat to them. We have proven to them that Biafra has come. Will you ever believe that every group will come together? He will never believe it, right? It is not Simon Ekpa's doing. It is not nobody's doing. It is because the time has come, and it is because the right people are here. It is because the 100 men Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been looking for is already here. We have identified them. If not all of them, at least the majority of the 100 men has been identified. That is why everything will work. It is only God and Bible say, ask, and it shall be given unto you. Knock, and the door shall open. And we understand this principle of life, and we are knocking, and we continue to knock. And the door, any door we knock, the door will open. Anything we ask, we have always received. Now, you have to do your part. When we ask you, let me tell you today, to restore Biafra, need money. Money, money, money. It is not the time for money to pay salary to anybody. Sorry. It is not the time to raise money from Zama. None of the people in the affair of this particular struggle now need your money. We do not need your penny. But it is going to be a collective effort. So money is needed. That is why on Saturday, as we embark on this emergency fundraising, even before then, make sure you come there and donate generously. The time has come. Biafra is not just about preaching on social media. It needs resources to get freedom. Resources is needed. We need to buy everything we need to buy. Remember that the $10,000 per person in a month is still there. When you hear them say, oh, he is raising fund every time, you think we are going to, because you people never wanted to get Biafra. You think we are going to get Biafra by not raising fund? You have to raise fund. You have to raise fund. One thing of what you use to protect Biafra land, it costs money. Arms and ammunition to protect our land against terrorists cost money. What you use to defend our land against those who come to chop heads is money. So when you hear people saying, why is he raising fund, you will understand how stupid they are. Very stupid people. Very, very idiotic and stupid people I have never seen. So from today, the respect you give us, give it to the BNG. And let me tell you, it is not all alliances we have gone into that we made public. There are those that are not public. There are those alliances that are not public. So we only select those we want to be public, and they are public. So, and let me tell you, if in those who are watching Marvel movie, you know, how many of you are watching Marvel movie? You know the Marvel movie, Thanos and whatever, where they say they are collecting this man, or is it Thanos or something? Collecting the diamond, collecting the stone. So when he collect the first stone, he put it in the hand, the power come like this, you do, power. And then he was looking for another one, he collect the second stone and put it. The power double, he collect the third one and put it, and he collect the fourth one until he collect all the stone and the full power activated. So we have collected all the stones. I am telling you today, the Biafra movement and the liberation have collected all the stones. And now it is to your tent, O Israel. Before I go into explaining Before I go into explaining what the Biafra government in exile, what you should be expecting, I want to let you know something. The no election in Biafra land is being taken for granted. And I like it. I like it. I like it that some people, few people, are not believing us. I like it. I am really impressed that some people are not believing us. I'm impressed because otherwise, if everybody believes us just like that, it will not be very interesting. At the end. Okay? So, some people is that why they are doing bad thing is that the feeling they get from it. There are some people that they just want to do bad thing. The reason they do bad thing is they want to get scared. They want to check whether somebody is seeing them and enjoy the feelings. So I am just very happy that some of these nincompoop are not believing us when we say there is no election. They will all be surprised at the end of the day. If you have not seen a sign that truly Biafra is coming next year, you are a very stupid person. I am telling you. Because what is happening now has never happened in the history of this whole Biafra and Nigeria thing. I am telling you. So if you have not seen a sign that truly this election will not hold, then you are a very big fool. Now, I want us to go to read what the United Kingdom say about the election in 2023. At least some of you will never believe us. So if you do not believe us, can you believe your masters, please? Even if you believe your masters, because the British United Kingdom is your master, you listening to them.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do where to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.